Hi there, this is Chelsea from Enterprise. Welcome to today's session on module settings on ERP with Enterprise. In today's session, we will cover sales and CRM, service, purchasing, as well as Venzel app. So let's get you started. So now we are in the module settings, setting up our sales and CRM. This is where you can set the default price list for estimation on your mobile application, as well as additional price lists for estimations when you are offline. Next, you'll be able to see your default currency for all your sales transactions. Coming down, you can also choose to hide inactive opportunity stages in the CRM module. You can also select to auto-create customer code or enter manually when you are setting them up. You can also enable gross profit calculation on your sales documents from your stock items. Once you're all set up, you can click on Save. Next up, we have the service module. Simply click on this option to automatically close a service call once a resolution has been entered, and click on Save. Moving on to purchasing setup, tick this box here to activate using approval limits for purchase requests and purchase orders. Then click into Set User Limits to specify the approvals and limits for each user. You can also set to auto-create supplier codes on the system or enter manually when you are setting them up. Once you've completed, click on Save. Moving on to Venzel application setup, simply select the documents that you want to see on the application, as well as the payment methods allowed to be collected via the mobile application. Next, select if you want the users to see invoices due, reports by salesperson. Additionally, you can also select the notification days before the due date to notify the users. Once this is completed, remember to click on Save.